Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to another vlog. Dinot is here. It's 11 a.m. and we're doing something which we didn't do for a long time. So because you know that I own PlayStation 1, PlayStation 2, PlayStation 3, PlayStation 4. And when I was younger, when I was like 17 years old, you know, I bought myself first PlayStation, and I remember there was a game called Sledstorm, which I really liked. Especially it was like the same time or time of the year, you know, I mean the season, winter. And I remember how beautiful it was and nice and fantastic. And when I was playing that game Sledstorm and Croc, the Legend of Gobo, something like that, I decided to myself, because I have modded PlayStation 1, I will show it here, and I decided to myself to burn some games, you know, on the CDs. But the problem is that I have to learn that process, and I'm trying, like yesterday evening I was trying to do some, to burn some CDs, but the problem is that I don't have any more empty CDs. I gotta go buy them, you know, just to own an empty CD, today is like, wow, you know. I have some empty DVDs but not CDs, and I was trying yesterday and I didn't succeed. So today I woke up and I'm here trying it again. As you can see, I got PlayStation 1, PlayStation 2 modded, and there's a Crash Bandicoot, the original one. The graphics now are kind of like funny when you compare it to today's standards, but again, it's not the point of the quality and graphics. The point is that I am burning myself a new game, Croc, Legend of the Gobos, and I hope it's gonna work, because whatever I burned yesterday, it didn't work. You gotta do some images, ISO images, Bean Cook, emotes, files, I don't know, whatever is there, but I'm trying again. But meanwhile, when this shit is burning, I will go and try to do some old school, guys. Old school gaming. Okay, the graphic is funny. Playing with one hand doesn't do any good. But it's good, man, you know. If you have a kid, you don't need to buy him a new PlayStation 4, Nintendo Switch or whatever, you know. If you have like PlayStation 1, PlayStation 2, old school Nintendos like I have them down there, for the kids it's fine. Let me see if this is gonna burn and if it's gonna work. Okay, it says that it successfully burned the CD. Now we're gonna open, put out the Crash Bandicoot, put inside the freshly burned CD and see what's gonna happen. See what's gonna happen, if it's gonna work or not. If it's not gonna work, then I don't know what the hell am I supposed to do, you know. Oh my god, this sound, guys. This is the sound of my youth, you know. Nowadays kids, they will never understand this. Never. No, it doesn't work, u pitku materinu. Eto. And I don't know why. I don't really know why. You gotta go research more. Shit, man, I'm sick of burning these CDs, man. Not even one work. I gotta go to buy some CDs and try to learn how the fuck this shit will work. Let's go see if this will work now. After 26 minutes of burning, 26 minutes, man. I don't know, I think it's not gonna work, but let's go see, maybe. I hope. I believe. So it doesn't work, man. I can't burn images, being cool files, whatever that shit is. And I'm in lack of the empty CDs. So I'm gonna go after like maybe 10-15 years to buy empty CDs, guys. I'm gonna buy 50 empty CDs. Who uses CDs now? Nobody. But I have to. So I bought 50 cake CDRs, verbatim CD-R, and I bought headphones, guys. I bought headphones for a giveaway. So for all you subs on my stream, guys, I bought some kind of headphones, gaming headphones, Fantech SPH3, and I'm gonna make a giveaway for this on Christmas, guys. You know, so all you guys who are a sub on my stream, you can participate in giveaway and make sure to have stars. I came back home, and I just remembered that people which are living in our house, their boiler died, which is heating water so they can wash. And I went down there to check it out, and apparently boiler had a shortcut. Something happened. That's why yesterday my garage didn't work, or the breaker fell down. And I gotta call the electrician man to change the heater in boiler, because they don't have hot water, and the problem is that they can't wash, and and they say you're not doing nothing, man. I'm always taking care of the house. Who else is gonna do? My mom? She's crazy with that cleaning all the time. I'm sick of this shit. I'm really sick. I gotta go eat. A pita zeljanca. Opa! We got zeljanica to eat. Which is mine. Check it out. Original. My mom, the cook master. The cleaning robot.
Nemoj mene čisto.
Nemoj mene. Nemoj mene. I'm gonna do fatality to this. Bon appetit. Polako. Okay, so I had a lunch. Now there's a problem. The boiler, the heater died, and I had to check it out. I want to change by myself. Then I called a couple of electricians, and one of them came. He said, bro, this boiler is old, 20 years, bro, change it. And then I called another electrician because this electrician didn't have time, and I told him, bro, I need to change boiler. How much is it? 250 euros. So I gotta pay 250 euros for a new boiler. So people who are living in our house, which are paying rent for us, to us, they can have warm water, guys, hot water, and it's freaking cold outside. So I think I'm gonna wait until they're gonna come, and I'm just gonna shoot them for you a little bit, and then I'm gonna go to stream. Thank you very much for watching this stream again, vlog. See you tomorrow. Oh, yeah, it's hard to do everyday vlogs, but if you got any question, ask me. I will. I got one question on Facebook from one woman. Thank you very much for the awesome compliment and comment about my vlogs. I don't get much views, but again, if you guys are happy, I am happy. So see you tomorrow.